Okay, today we're going to be writing algebraic expressions. You see the standard, it says create equations and inequalities in one variable and use them to solve problems. So, and it says include equations arising from linear functions. Now, we are learning how to write algebraic expressions today, and we will use that to help us create equations and inequalities in one variable. But today it's writing algebraic expressions. Okay, the sum. Sum means to add. What am I adding? If you remember your English, what you're adding comes after the word of, which is a preposition. I'm adding a number. The word and tells you where to put the sum at. So that's plus 3. So a number plus 3. Now I used x. You could use any variable that you want to. This one says a number. Here's x plus 7 is means equals 5. A number plus 7 equals 5. A number divided by 6. A number divided by, we use a fraction bar. You don't usually in algebra write that because that's not what we put in equations. So you won't see that. That's correct, but you won't see that. You'll see a fraction bar instead. So x divided by 6. The product. Product means to multiply. So the product of n and 5. What am I multiplying n and 5? And we don't write n5 in algebra. We put the number first, so we write 5n. And remember that multiplication when they're side by side, that's automatically there. That's understood to be there. Okay, the quotient. Quotient means division. The quotient of what? 6 and a number. And again, quotient and divide, remember we don't write 6 divided by with a divide sign. We write a fraction bar, 6 over x. All right. The word less than, and this will be in my notes on my Google Classroom. You'll have a little graphic organizer telling you what all these words mean. But less than is one of those words that flips things. So I've got the word less than. It's going to flip these two. That's why I have an arrow drawn there. So 3 less than a number. So you write number first and then 3. If I said 3 less than your age and your age is 15, that doesn't mean I'm doing 3 minus 15. That means I'm doing 15 minus 3. 3 less than your age is 12. It's not negative 12. So just so you understand that the word less than flips it. So whatever is here, flip it around. And don't forget that. That's going to be your common mistake. The difference. Difference means subtract. What am I subtracting? I am subtracting, again, there's that word of. I'm subtracting p and 5. So p minus 5, the word is means equals 16. 6 times the sum of a number and 5. Okay, these are a little harder. 6 times, that's multiplication. What am I multiplying? I'm not just multiplying it by a number this time. I'm multiplying it by a sum. And it says the sum, what am I summing? A number and 5. So this is included in parentheses. That's because that's the only way I'm going to show a sum. So 6 times the sum, not 6 times a number in 5, but 6 times the sum of a number in 5. So I have to write that in parentheses. 8 times the difference. I'm subtracting something. What am I subtracting? A number and 10. And I'm 8 timesing the difference. That's how I know that this is going in parentheses. So 8 parentheses x minus 10, and then it says is 6 equals 6. The cube of a number, x cubed. Thank you.